Alright, so we are still on Nana Agrada's arrest issue. Yeah, this is here there will be an eye for Akachi. A soon kwano soon and a Ghana phone so at the address them say polo out here or come for Agrada in. The way na Ghana for ni be no eka say oh free Agrada. Hey, free Agrada say we must enjoy no say enjoy polo no. Towns no be must say oh Agrada jam. Yan fan tamunim say ni TV station ni na no. Ya close it down. Now we na Ghana for ni be a chile or margin. Mommy uncle here I didn't change it. Where I Dennis Nana ya wink say Agradaa should be taken to the Bank of Ghana. It's either she double the money or it's 25 years in jail. Charlie, no business. So this one is coming from Dennis. Yeah, Dennis say young fan and cotton. Where on Hannibal free. This is simple. Ghana needs money, so should just let the gods help Ghana with $50 billion. Hey Charlie, Obia say, or it has over Chantiska and I say, Obedim. And I went to free Flodeli or say free Agradaa. Why? Is polo better than Agradaa? This is Charlie, this everywhere I can. I wish I get the power the way I'll discipline some people in this country. Charlie, I quite say, Obia can say Agradaa should just double Ghana's on the money. This one may be this one be simple and short. Okay, so this one too is yesterday. I saw a tiger on my way back home. I was terrified. I suddenly started to pray. Then I look at him, the tiger. Oh, this one, I said, yeah. They on social media, no being so like, hey, this guy, the boy will be I'll go for him. So let's see this one too. It's coming from Acoustic. Acoustic is saying they should let her charm for more money whilst in custody since her gods are with her. Charlie. Agradaa, just do this simple magic and be free. Chantiska, ya don't kwakota, just Chantiska, sika gali ne ba. They will know say you are real, them they will free you. So guys, do you agree or do you believe? And do you the hey asemo? Yes, intino. Ope say ye enjoy Agradaa. Let me know in the comments because obi nso ka say Agradaa nso e wo ba ohwe no. Owo nkofo a oni omo ye ejuma o fidi omo. So, Obechi Agradaa, I said, what hankofu be brave? Because still people don't understand, say, somebody with the jail like polo, the jail with the Grand Tambel. So, same to Agradaa, so it makes me agile. So, guys, that's what I got for you. I'll be back with another exciting video. My name is